Well, it's day 2 in Croatia and it's about 7:30, isn't it? It's 7:30 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are walking to get a boat for a boat tour. We are going to Kornati Island, so we are looking forward to it. We are going to have breakfast and lunch included, so that's really nice. We're just passing by through the old town to go to the boat, which, oh my god, is so nice. We arrived to the location. This is the little boat we are going to jump on in a minute. So they give us some bread with ham and cheese. And this is breakfast, and then we have some water and some orange juice.
There are 89 islands and islets. The smaller ones you will see.
Hello friends, this is Alice from the future. Let me take a few moments to clarify a few bits and bobs on this trip. We had 2 stops. First stop was in a place in Kornati Island close to Prolat's Proversa Vela. In Kornati Island, we swam in the sea and also had lunch. The second stop was the Telašćica Nature Park. In the map in the description of this video, you can find all the main attractions and viewpoints we visited in Telašćica. There, we also went for a swim in the Salt Lake Mere. In the description of this video, you can find also more links and information to help you plan your trip to Croatia. Going under the bridge to go on the other side, circumnavigating the island. What I've seen so far here in Croatia is that this country is very kind of simple life, and I really appreciate this. I'm looking forward to visiting the parks. So something to keep in mind, we are going to 2 national parks now. Telašćica, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly of course, but National Park and Kornati. And something to keep in mind, these parks you need to pay a fee of £15 for each person, 15 euros, sorry, for each person, and they accept only cash in the boat. So just remember to bring some cash with you. Hey James, are you enjoying this video?
Yes. This video?
Are you enjoying this tour?
I love the video.
Oh.
This is my favourite video ever.
Are you enjoying this tour?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but the best is still to
The best
come.
is the grappa.
you see that water? James is probably at the summit already of this little hill. I'm impressed by how many people from the boat tour actually are doing this. And I think many people come to Croatia for hiking as well, so I guess it makes sense. Oh my god, there is a fish! It's actually pretty cold. Okay, give me a sec. I think I can see James up the hill coming down. Let's go. Oh, it's so nice and refreshing though. Look who's back! Hi! You jumping in?
It's painfully cold.
Oh my gosh, they are about to serve food and there is a really strong and nice smell of fish. I'm so looking forward. Ooh, let's go! The ants here are pretty big. Look at this one!
Where was it? Climbing down the rock.
Yeah. It's amazing. I'm quite excited right now. There are lots of seagulls and oh my god, it's so much fun. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Or maybe it's just like typical of seagulls anyway. Oh, it's definitely worth coming here. I mean, if you go to Zadar, absolutely book this trip because it's such a great experience. Lunch was so good. They gave us chicken and fish with some salad, and they also came twice.
Vegetarian options available.
There was also a vegetarian option, yeah, available. Was white, some pasta with tomato.
All you can eat.
Yes, and they came twice to give us more food. So if you wanted some more chicken or fish, you could get it. So it was absolutely nice. And I like it because it's very simple and authentic. It's not like luxurious or anything like that. So, and there is free wine if you want some.
It tastes like vinegar.
I didn't want you to say that. But yeah, let's be authentic as well. Wine seems to be tasting like vinegar, so maybe it's
In a
not.
plastic bottle.
It's not. Yes, I think this is like camping here. We are now climbing up to go to the viewpoint and see the cliff. So we are at the viewpoint of Telašćica Natural Park. So this is the highest viewpoint. Behind me, Adriatic Sea, and in the distance, of course we don't see it, but there is Italy. Are you right?
No. Spider or fly? You decide.
So we made it to the lake. This apparently is a salty water lake and we're going to swim now. Okay, so after 10 hours sailing
We weren't
around,
sailing, we were just on a boat.
Yeah.
There were no sails.
yeah, we were on a boat. Well, you saw it. Okay, after 10 hours on a boat, we are finally. After 10 hours on a boat, we are finally walking back home on the top of the city walls, and we are going home. We are going to have a nice evening at home, cooking some food and relaxing. When I say home, obviously I know I am in the Airbnb, but I don't know, for me everything is home, so every place is home after all. So I don't know, I always say home, don't I?
Yes.
Yeah, I do that. Also with hotels. How weird is that? Don't know.
Probably quite normal, really.
Maybe. No, we are going back to our accommodation for our days in Zadar. So anyway,
That was very pedantic.
yeah.